just if anybody that might be curious on how I'm capturing the footage on the split screen, this is the setup I'm using. It's more or less a homemade type of setup, but this is a typical selfie stick, and I put the GoPro out here. The GoPro will mount out here at the top of the GoPro, the top of the selfie stick, and then I have the Verb mounted back here. And I try and synchronize them, turn them on at the same time. I counterweight it. This is just a soft dive weight, scuba weight, 1 pound weight, and that counterbalances the helmet, so it stays fairly balanced on my head. Not 100% effective, but better than not having the counterweight, that's for sure. So just in case you were curious on how that works, that's my setup for capturing the footage when I do some videos, which today will be one of those days. And until next time, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope that sincerely hope that you have a great day, and that you get out there and skate or do your favorite activity and just enjoy life. Thank you.